In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build CMS pages in Webflow. Webflow is a modern web design tool that lets you design, build, and launch responsive websites visually while writing clean semantic code for you. One of its powerful features is the CMS, or Content Management System, which makes it easy to manage and display content. So let's dive into creating dynamic CMS pages together. First things first, you'll want to create what is called a CMS collection. Think of this as your database, where all related content is stored. To do this, go to the CMS tab on your Webflow dashboard. Here you can click on Create New Collection. This is where you'll define what kind of content you want to manage: articles, projects, team members, or whatever you need for your site. At this point, it's crucial to thoughtfully create fields that are relevant to your content. Fields act much like columns in a spreadsheet, and they store individual pieces of data. A standard setup might include fields like name, image, description, date, and any other data you feel is necessary to categorize your collection accurately. With your collection structure in place, it's time to design your collection page template. This step is where creativity meets functionality. Navigate to the collection page template, a crucial part of ensuring each item in your collection displays uniformly. Begin adding static elements, like headers, footers, or any other permanent page elements, and dynamic elements, such as text or images. These dynamic fields link directly to the content fields you've just created in your CMS collection. This functional yet creative approach ensures that once you set up your design, every item in your collection follows this template, maintaining a consistent look and feel, automatically updating as you add new content. Your next step will be to add a collection list to another page on your site. Perhaps this is a home page or category page where you'd like to feature multiple pieces of content at a glance. To do this, simply drag a collection list from the Add panel onto your page. Link it to your CMS collection by selecting the collection from the drop-down in the Settings panel. You now have a grid or list of your collection items, beautifully displayed and dynamically connected to your CMS. If you prefer, instead of displaying a full list, you might decide to create a custom design for individual items. You can use the collection page to enhance each item's layout, giving them a unique style while still pulling from the same CMS data. It's all about making sure your content is engaging and accessible for your audience. And that's it. You now have a robust system for managing dynamic content in Webflow through CMS collections. This will help ensure your website is scalable and easy to maintain, keeping content fresh and beautifully displayed. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.